So we're just gonna go on Google, search for Owen Lubinda. Let me show you how my YouTube channel is. And thank you for the new subscribers, the old, new. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe, please. Let's keep this channel growing. Okay, this is the YouTube channel. We're currently sitting at 490 subscribers. So if you just want to make money, I have plenty of videos. Some of them are reached 2K, some of them is 100, 200, 1K. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, then we should do it. So let's jump into this thing. So search for Fiverr. Fiverr. Don't click on the first one. That's just an ad. It can be a scam. Click on the second one. That one there. Yes. Click on it. So this is how it pops up. Then yeah, this is everything. This is if you've got skills for these things, you can sell your skills, you can do businesses for people, you can do all these things for people. Let's click join. Fiverr is very simple. You just have to have the skill. So join with Google account. You can use Facebook, Google account, and App ID. So Google account, or you can just put in the email. Let me just put in my email and just put it direct. Just make it simpler for you. Okay. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. As you know, that's the only way you can help. So punch in the email address, put in the username. I always advise to put in your real name. If you're going to leave a space, just put a hyphen. Okay, put a password, a strong password. Make sure the password is first capital letters, there is small letters, then it has got numbers in it. Okay. So if you've got any contributions, if you think I need to have up any app, I check it for you. Anything and any software or any app, any website that you think is bringing money, just have to try it out. I can easily do that if you just let me send your contributions or like comment in the description below or in the comment section below on what you think we should do next. Otherwise, don't forget, don't leave a space when writing in your username. Either you put in the hyphen and click join. Yeah, it doesn't even take time. We're in the account. The account has been created. It's quick and fast. So as you can see there on top, it says that my account has not yet been activated. So right now I'm on my phone. I'm activating it from my Gmail, from my phone. Okay. So just look at that at the top right. Okay, I've activated on my phone. I'm sure you see just from the top there. Let me refresh it to show you that it has been activated. Let me just refresh it. Refresh the page for you to see it has been activated. It's very simple way you can actually make money. So you see the top there to go away. Okay, it has gone, meaning it has been activated. You have to activate it via your Gmail. Let me click on. Let me just show you how you can earn for those people. By the way, this is the part 1. This is the part 2. This one is for those people who don't have any skills, just want to earn through referring the code and everything. So you just have to copy that link there. And part 2 will come for those people who want to sell their skills on Fiverr. This one you can sell skills and also make money of just sharing the what's this the application itself or the website itself. So thank you for subscribing.